Hello, we are the Health Leader Co. We have Alicia Crook, James Crook, and myself, Christine Knox. We work with massage therapists all over the world to help them create deeply rewarding businesses.
Welcome to the Health Leader Co, where we love to help massage and bodywork practitioners be able to give with ease and create a deeply rewarding practice.
So what we know the data shows us is that in our programs, we've had therapists report that they've added 61,000 bookings into their businesses from what they've implemented in our training. This is absolutely incredible because it means over $6 million that has been added to this industry, and we absolutely love that because it means deeply rewarding practices are being created all across the country and the world.
So if you are a massage therapist or a bodywork practitioner and you're looking at how you can create even more in your business and with your clients, then we would love to be able to help you connect with your passion. We have heaps of training. Please stick around and we look forward to connecting with you soon.